Hello parents and students, this is lesson 4.3 classwork review. We're working on decomposing some fractions using tape diagrams, using the sum of unit fractions. So we're going to write equivalent multiplication sentences with them. So for this one we have 1, 2, 3 shaded boxes, 1, 2, 3 shaded boxes, and of a total of 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these 4 total boxes equals 1, so 1 equals 4 boxes out of the 4 total boxes, okay? So in this case, this strip is equal to 3 over 4, okay, where 3 is the shaded and 4 is the total amount of boxes. So 3 is the shaded and 4 is the total number of boxes. So blue and red. Okay. Now we have 3 shaded boxes, 1, 2, and 3. Each one of these shaded boxes is worth 1 out of a total of 4 boxes. So each one of these is worth 1/4. Okay. One shaded box is worth 1 box out of a total of 4. We have 3 of them, so you add up 3 and you would get 3/4. Now, 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 is repeated addition, and when we have repeated addition, we multiply. How many 1/4 do we have? 1, 2, 3, just like our shaded boxes, which means we have a total of 3, okay? So we have 3 of them, just like our shaded boxes, okay? So keep colors consistent, 1, 2, and 3, 3, okay? 3 total boxes, so we multiply. So 1 over 4 times 3 equals 3 over 4. And all we're doing is just doing repeat addition to get that answer. Okay, so if we go down to B, okay, B has a total of how many shaded? 1, 2. 1, 2. And how many total boxes does it have? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 equals 5 over 5. Now this whole thing right here of the shaded, okay, this little spot right here is worth 2 out of how many? 5. 2 shaded in out of 5. Now that means each of these little boxes is worth 1, and if each of these boxes are worth 1, it's out of a total of 5. So it's 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5. Now to do the multiplication problem, we can say, okay, 2 out of 5 is equal to shaded boxes out of the total 5, 2/5 is equal to, how many shaded boxes do we have? We have 1, 2, so we have 2 times, and 2 times 1 box, we have 2 of these boxes, so 2 of these boxes, and each box is worth 1 over 5, and that's your final answer. Okay, so let's go down here and look at E. E, as you can notice, doesn't fully go over all the way. So this spot right here is only worth 1. How many boxes does that encompass? It encompasses 1, 2, 3. So 1 equals 3 over 3. So each one of those boxes is worth 1 box out of a total of 3. So each one of these boxes is worth 1/3. Including this box on the outside, which is the same size. It's only worth 1/3. Okay? So, for instance, for this one, we would have 1, 2, 3, 4 shaded boxes out of our total of 3 for our 1. That 3 is coming from up here. Okay? So 3. I'll change the color to a green. Okay? 4 over 3. So our multiplication problem will look like this. How many shaded boxes are there? There are 4. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 total shaded in times how much each box is worth, 1 over 3. And that is your final answer. Okay. So for this lesson, it's just the same idea for all these. Okay. For these, you would just be drawing the box and then showing the multiplication problem. So for this one, for A, you would draw your tape diagram, 5 boxes, which is your bottom number, shade in 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each one of those is worth 1 out of 4. How many shaded boxes are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, not out of 4. It would be out of 5, excuse me. 1 over 5 times 4, because there are 4 shaded, which equals 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1 over 4, which is equal to, so 1/5 times 4 is equal to, I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen, this is fifths. Okay, 1 over 5, 1 over 5, 1 over 5, 1/5. Add those up, you have 4 out of 5. Okay, so 4 over 5. So hopefully this makes sense. I'm sorry for making a little bit of a mistake here at the last problem. But hopefully this kind of makes sense of where we're going and showing that repeat addition is multiplication. So we're moving from repeat addition to multiplication. Thanks and have a great day.